Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set Opera browser as your default browser on iPhone devices. Now as you see, I'm already on my home screen. Then what should you do? Just click Opera, then go into the three dots, then go into the settings, the bottom one, click on it, then go to the bottom. And as you will see, the set as default browser, click on it, then click go to the settings. Then as you will see, there will be default browser app. Just click on it and set Opera. That's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.